Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll be taking a look at the support rollers on this Maytag electric dryer.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
Defective support rollers will typically cause a loud rumbling noise. They may also cause some high-pitched squealing, or if there's a flat spot in one of your rollers, you'll hear kind of a thumping noise as the drum is coming around. And if you're hearing that, you want to check the rollers for a flat spot. To gain access, we must first remove the two screws holding the blower housing to the top panel. To lift the top panel, first thing we're going to do is
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.